What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, back with another video. Today we are doing why you should buy an M340 or a 440 or a 240 over a regular 340, 440, 240, whatever. Right now we're at the gas station. I straight had to get gas, so I thought I'd just start it here before we get to the spot and give y'all a POV drive before. I'm gonna take it off comfort mode, put the bitch on Sport Plus. Before we hit the spot and I get into the video, I figure I might as well. I straight had to make another detour for a pop because it's straight so fucking hot outside. But I'm gonna give y'all at least one more little pool before we get to the spot. I'm gonna wait for this goddamn fucking beetle in front of me. Oh my god, I will put my seatbelt on. Hold on 1 second. All right, once I can get out from behind this fucking beetle, I'm straight gonna give y'all another pool. I'm gonna turn on this road. Damn, that Sport Plus shift quick as fuck. That lady was looking at me like, why the fuck you on the phone, bro? Alright. Baby pool. I'll give you another one. Pop, 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 pop. I'll tell y'all, it straight rained today a little bit, and let me tell you, this car with the fucking LSD, this bitch will get down, bro. So I'm about to be at the spot now. We straight, whenever I shoot a video, I basically just look for the fucking, no, we're not right there. I mostly just look for like the most empty lot I can find and with shade, cause it's hot as hell. So today we are straight gonna use this fucking church. Damn, good thing I'm not low. Yeah, we gonna just post up right here and I'm gonna start the video. Before I start though, I just gotta give y'all stock exhaust notes. Come on now. You can't straight beat this car, bro. I love the active grills, bro. I need to wrap them fucking bars orange. I wish it would just stay open all the time, bro. It's so much meaner. So much meaner. I didn't consider how many fucking tweakers go by here. But alas, bro, I'm just starting this bitch off. I'm stalling too long, bro. G series versus F series BMWs, bro. So it's controversial. I want to start it off by saying no hate to either platforms. Before I bought this car, I was gonna get a 440. Deal fell through, but I test drove one of these and I would never go back. I test drove like 3 440s before I bought this. I test drove a 340 and I test drove an M240. I drove a lot of these fucking B58 cars, and just none of them were like either in my price range, like what I wanted to spend on one, or the mileage were too high, or they were clapped out, or I just didn't feel like they were worth spending, which is like crazy because I ended up spending more money on this than all of those cars were. But I'm gonna tell y'all why this one is so worth it and why I straight would not get an F series over a G series. It's gonna be kind of similar to my last video. I'm gonna just give points why this just outdoes the F series. For one, I'm gonna start off LSD from factory, limited slip differential, bruh. All the 440s, the 340s, I believe the X drives might be LSD. I don't know if they need it, like straight all-wheel drive, but my first reason, no LSD on the 340s or the 440s, and if you want to get it, it's $2,500 to $2,700 plus labor. You straight gotta drop your diff, open it up, and swap it in there. I don't know if it's a complete thing. I'm sure shipping's a bitch. Like, so that's reason number one. No LSD. One wheel peels, fuck that. No traction in quarters, fuck that. All the reasons why an LSD is good, bro. Like, you need it. You need it. Damn, this lighting is so fucking pretty on this car. But my second reason why a G series over an F series is the interior, bro. My number two Interior and tech. Everything in this bitch is just solid as fuck. Like, the seats are nice as hell. The doors, the handles, like, the cluster, the tablet, like, or the display. Everything is nice as fuck in this car. And you got clusters with... The cluster's got so many modes. Like, it's in comfort. It can go to sport. It can go to eco. And it'll change it. Damn it, auto start stopped on me. But it'll all change, like, what it looks like and how it, like, acts. And I don't know if an F-Series will do that. I hate auto start stop. But you also got ambient lighting, which is, like, my favorite fucking feature. It's better when it's dark. It's on red right now. I don't know why. I think my favorite is probably blue. But, like, you can change it to any color you want. And at nighttime, it's also by your feet, which is cool as fuck. And just everything. It's just solid as fuck. Ambient lighting. In the doors, you have the M340. Like, this bitch is just nice as fuck overall. And let me show y'all a few more features. So, right now we in sport mode. I'll show y'all another feature. Look at all these, like, things. You can do your trip. You can do your horsepower and torques on the fucking cluster. You can do G-force on the cluster. You can do music on the cluster. I'll show y'all. That's another cool ass feature, bro. So, reason 3, G series over F series. It already has a TU fuel pump. So the 340 or 440 guys will know that one of the most common upgrades is the TU fuel pump on their cars. And it allows them, it's from the Toyota Supra or from this car. And it allows you to run E85 and just push more fuel, and just it's a more like high pressure fuel pump. Like, and I believe it's around like $800. So buying this car, you don't have to do that. That's another advantage. You don't have to swap your fuel pump. It's already equipped with it. Off the jump, you get an E50 mix tune. Like, you can just run it. You don't have to do anything. Okay, number 4, and I think my last point, because I don't really got too much to say. Damn, that AC dripping like a motherfucker. Straight thought it was cooling for me. But my 4th, and I think my last point, is just the more modern look. The F-Series, don't get me wrong, it's a good looking car. Damn, bro, you see what I'm talking about? Tweakers everywhere, bro. Like, what are you doing? Like, what the fuck? But continuing on, it's just, this car just looks so much more modern than an F-Series. Like, all the lines, like, let me get on the fucking top tape side. But, like, the body lines that run, like, across, like, it just looks so mean. And then this bottom, like, slant on the body that, like, leads back up, like, it just looks so mean and nice. And if this bitch was lowered and not monster trucking, it would look crazy. Lowered with the spacer, this car is just gonna be like, honestly, I could leave it like that and I'd be happy. Obviously I won't, because I already got the mod bug, but like, I could, because this car already looks fucking immaculate. Like, just look at it, bro. Like, just look at it, goddamn. But yeah, I think that's my last point. For real, G versus F-Series. But don't get me wrong, F-Series are still great cars. It's not a hating ass video. Like, I got friends with F-Series. Like, F-Series are the GOAT. And you can get them, like, you can find an F-Series, like a 340 with like probably 50-60,000 miles for like 23-24K. And that's crazy. Like, I mean, if you want to mint one older one, you're probably still gonna pay like mid-30s. But to end the video, because I don't really got a proper outro, I'm gonna just give y'all a little pool with the G meter on and close it out. So I'll see y'all in the next video, and enjoy the pool.